In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Notion. So once you're in your Notion account, guys, just simply click your workspace on the upper left-hand side and go to settings. Now you want to click your account name where you see your account name on the top there. On the top left, if you click that, it's going to show you your account details and you will see the add verification method option that it's grayed out. And that's because you need to first add a password. So if I go ahead and add password right here, and once I add the password, you will see that it allows me to actually have the option to set the verification. So once you set the password, you can click off this and then you have the two-step verification. Now you can add a verification method. You basically have two options here, guys. You have the text message option and you have the authenticator app option. Now I want to mention that not every country will allow this text message option. So in case you try your phone number and you get an error saying that it's not supported for your country, then I would say just set up the Authenticator app, which you can quickly download from the Play Store or the App Store. And you can just simply go ahead and say code from Authenticator app. You can scan this QR code with the Authenticator app and you'll be able to enter that code that you get as well. Right, so this is how you can quickly do it. So there are two options, so you can choose them and then you'll be able to set up the two-step verification method on your phone. It's super simple, guys, but that's it.